Student, in today's lecture we discuss the networking technology paper second chapter, that is the networking technology. What is mean by the networking technology? How it can be worked? That basic concept or different types of the networking. That basic concept we study in the previous year. Networking, it is nothing but connecting one PC or node to another. That is called as a networking. Networking means two mobiles also connecting with each other, two computers also connecting with each other, as well as the two electronic devices connected to each other. That is called as a networking. And there is a different technique to connecting these the networking or the connecting to these the devices. That is studied in this the chapter networking technology. Definition, you got it. Connecting the one PC or device to the another PC or device. It is not a necessary that is a networking. In networking only PC is connected. It may be any electronic component can be connected to each other. That structure is called as a networking. Okay, and there is a different technology which we use to connecting networking. That is study in this that the chapter. Next one, networking is, there is a two types of the networking. First one is a wire based networking and second one is a wireless networking. That is also called as cable based or wireless. Wire based or the cable based networking, there are the three cables used to develop the network. First one is a coaxial cable, second one is a fiber optic cable, and third one is a twisted pair cable. These mostly three cables can be used to build the wire based networking. Next one is a wireless networking. Wireless means the wire or the cable cannot be used to connect the network or establish the network. That is called as a wireless networking. In this the wireless networking, there are the different techniques or the different waves can be used to connect the networking or establish the networking, like the radio waves, microwaves, infrawaves. This type of the waves can be used to connecting PCs or the node as well as the device to each other. That without the cable, that is called as a wireless networking. Got it? There are the two types of the networking established. By using the networking, there is a two types. Which media we can be used? On that the basis there are the two types. First one is a wire based, second one is a wireless networking. In next point we study the characteristics of the wireless and difference between the wireless media as well as the wire based media. In this the point we also study that totally in this chapter the networking is related to the computer. In our this chapter, all networking are the studied with the computer or the node. How we can we connect the computer to each other? Which type of the media can be used to connecting? And next one, which technology can be built to networking? These all points are the covered in that the chapter. Next one, in previous lecture we studied that there are the three types of the networking. First one is the LAN, MAN, second one, and third one is the WAN. LAN, it is a local area networking, MAN is a metropolitan area networking, and WAN is a wide area networking. These are the three types of the networking. Local area is limited with a small distance or the area is considered as a main part to establish the networking. and it is the smallest networking. For example, in our the college lab or in our home, in one room networking, two room networking, it is totally depend on a local area networking. Metropolitan area networking means in one cities number of branches are connected with each other, or small distance pieces or small distance node connected with each other. That type of the networking is called as a metropolitan area networking. And last one, WAN. WAN, it is nothing but a wide area networking. Here it is not a dependent the distance, or distance cannot be considered in a WAN. Autonomous all over world's PC node persons are connected with each other by using wide area networking. In next point we discuss the difference between LAN and WAN. For that, to establish this type of the networking, we need the computer. And establishing the network by using computer, that is called as a computer networking. What is the definition of the computer networking? In computer networking, it is nothing but interconnect collection of autonomous all over world species computer for sharing resources and controlling services, that is called as a computer network or computer networking. Got it? LAN, WAN, MAN, it can be developed by the mostly computers, and the created structure is called as a computer networking. What is a computer networking? Computer networking, it is nothing but interconnected. The PCs are connected with each other. Interconnected collection of autonomous PCs or all over computer, all over world PCs or computer. Why it can be connected? For sharing resources as well as controlling services, that is called as a computer networking. Got it? Computer networking, it is nothing but interconnecting collection of autonomous computer for sharing resources. It is a mostly important word. Sharing resources, it is nothing but a different devices like a printer, like a scanner, like a internet. This type of the resources sharing all over the PCs and control the services of the user as well as the PCs, that is called as a computer networking. And there is some advantages why we can be use the computer networking. That is advantages of a computer networking or the features of the computer networking. What is the benefit to use the computer networking? First one is it provides the resource sharing. Mainly networking, it is main concept is a sharing of resources. What is it? In our computer lab there is a 35 PCs and we want to print the piece from the PCs. If there is no networking, then we need the 35 printers. But in a computer networking, one PC is considered as a server and attach one printer to that the PCs and provide that the printer to sharing the data. That is, it provide resource sharing. That is main benefit. Second one is the exchange of the information. Exchange of the information is transferring information from one place to the another place, one computer to the another computer. If there is no networking, we need the different storage devices like a secondary storage devices, that is a pen drive, hard disk, floppy disk, to transferring the one PC's data to the another PC's. If there is no computer networking. But by using the computer networking, one PC is connected to the another PC. So first PC's data we can be easily shared to the 25 numbers PCs. That is exchange of a information easily by using computer networking. Next one, access any file or data. That is a similar, slightly difference between these the two uses. Accessing data or file from any PCs. Okay. Next, by using computer networking, it save the time as well as save money. Why it can be save? How it can be save the money? Different resources we cannot be required. So we sharing, by using sharing method, we use that the different resources. So here the money also save, and number of files we can be access by using just clicking. So it can be save the time. That is the main advantages of the computer networking. Next one, it provides the high reliability. For using the data as well as the file, computer networking give high reliability. User can be give reliability for its the work. If any PC or node in a networking can be fell down, all the network cannot be disturbed. The other way or other path, the data can be accessed from that the networking. So it is a more high give high reliability. And last one, this computer networking connect one PC to the another PC easily by using in between these two networking methods. It may be the wire-based method as well as it may be the wireless media. That is a point computer networking. In board examination, there is a 3 marks question can be asked. Question number 2 or question number 3. A. What is the computer networking? Question marks will be the given, and give advantages of the computer networking. In that point, the definition of the computer networking give the 1 marks, and advantages of the computer networking any 4 give 2 marks, or any 3 gives any 3 points give the appropriate marks. Any 6 point give the 3 marks. Totally it may be the ask for 4 marks or 3 marks. If it is the 3 marks, definition got 1 marks, and any 2 advantages give the 2 marks. If it is a 4 mark question, definition give 1 marks, and any 6 advantages give the 3 marks. 3 plus 1, 4 marks question will be the ask in that the point. Okay. Next point we can be study in a next lecture.